All right, happy Friday. We'll start with rhyme production. I'll say 2 words. You repeat those 2 words and try to think of 1 to 3 words that rhyme with those words, okay? Let's try it. Jack, track. Okay, maybe you thought of Mac, tack, pack, lack, sack. Lots that rhyme with that one. Dell, fell. I could think of well, bell, tell. You can come up with some nonsense ones like mel. Okay. Pool, cool. Fool, tool, sool, zool, you can even think of. Okay, last one. Limb, him. That's a hard one. How about some nonsense ones? We can just start with the letters and go b-im, bim, chim, thim, rim, that's a real one, Tim, like the name. Okay, onset fluency. I'll say 2 words. Give me thumbs up if they begin with the same sound. Thumbs down if they do not begin with the same sound. Candle, coat. Yep, they begin with k. Jack, join. They begin with j. Quick line. They do not begin the same. Utter upon. Yep, they begin with you. Actor, itchy. Nope, they do not begin the same. Okay, we're going to blend. I'll go first, then you copy me. Okay? It, hit. Rim, rim. It, sit. Id, kid. Id, hid. Okay. Isolating the medial sound, which is in the middle. J, ack, a. S, et, e. Qu, ick, I. Ought, ah. Ud, Okay, we're segmenting phonemes. Get your choppers out. I will go first, and then you go. Can, k, a, n. Dad, d, a, d. Fan, f, a, n. Mat, at. Sat, at. Okay, we're going to add a phoneme. When I put my hands together, you blend it together, and then I will say the word to make sure you got it correct. We're starting with ought. Add p to the beginning to make pot. We're starting with ox. Add b to the beginning to make box. We're starting with op. Add t to the beginning to make top. We're starting with ought. Add G to the beginning to make got. We're starting with Add to the beginning to make mom. Very good. Now we're going to delete a phoneme. We're starting with the word lead. Without what's left? Ed. We have the word wet. Without what's left? Et. We have the word pen. Without what's left? En. We have the word leg. Without what's left? Egg. We have the word set. Without what's left? Et. Okay, we're substituting a phoneme. We're starting with the word hop. Change h to k. And what's the word? Cop. We have the word cop. Change k to t. And what's the word? Top. We have the word top. Change t to m. And what's the word? Mop. We have the word mop. Change m to p. And what's the word? Pop. We have the word pop. Change p to h. And what's the word? Hop. Good. Okay, and our nursery rhyme is the same. It's just a short one this week. Jack be nimble. Jack be quick. Jack jump over the candlestick. And that's it. That's an easy one to remember. Okay, we'll see you next week.